colorful names. And he sits there, he's like, but it was good, wasn't it? Okay. You ever finish reading Trumpets? Oh crap, I still have that. Go get you the other 2 books. Enjoy. So this kind of started a war with us. Basically, he'd recommend something super depressing, and I'd sit there and scroll through Clamp's list and be like, go read this. So he hated me for about a month. I don't even remember. I want to say Tsubasa was the last thing I recommended before I moved down here, and I think he's on like the last volume of it. So probably in about a month or a week, I'm gonna get a very, very nasty call.
It's a very challenging thing to undertake to want to read all of it. But, so we've got about 10 minutes left of our time in here. So we can talk more or wrap it up. It's up to you guys.
What's the subject?
How do you start Clamp?
What?
How do you start Clamp?
You start
How do
at
you
the
finish
beginning.
it?
Basically, we're going to get the clan. Whatever you
Take one of the little pocket universes. You start at the first book, and then you go down, and then you go to another little
Is there a
pocket
proper
universe.
order for
Start at
Clamp?
the first book. We went over the proper order.
Oh, I got lost.
You can have my notes.
College and Tsubasa. I think the only one I haven't read is, I can't remember if it's Ray Earth or Babylon. I haven't finished one of those. And
She's from Babylon.
this is the person I made read college.
Angelic Layer is
A little bit in the background. It also appears quite a bit in Kobato, actually. There's a point where Kobato's trying to get beer for Irogi, and it's the Angelic Layer girls who give it to her. Just randomly giving out little 16-year-old girls alcohol.
Yeah, like you do.
I know I've seen them in the background of Tsubasa quite a bit. I'm not sure Holic per se, but I know Tsubasa they appear quite a bit. I know Kobato they appear quite a bit. So, yeah.
Well, Holic, it gets really difficult to keep track of who all comes and goes, really, because you've got just so much going on in that series. I mean, it's a great series, but, like, I've had people want to start Clamp, and they're like, hey, I've heard about Holic. I'm like, don't start with that one. Don't do it. And I had a friend who actually did not heed that warning, and they got through, like, I want to say 20 chapters that they just came up through. They're like, I'm so lost. I'm like, start with something else and come back to this. It'll make sense after you read a different series.
And once you read everything, like you can appreciate all of the small details in Holic and Tsubasa so much more because you're like, oh, I've seen that before.
And like it's like finding Easter eggs in movies and all, but on a much larger scale because of how much those two series encompass. I mean, if we were to debate the size of the different Clamp universes, I think that particular bubble would definitely be the most encompassing.
Oh yeah. It's the most action-packed for sure.
And that's the thing, most people think Holic's slow and all, and they're expecting action like Tsubasa. It's like, no, it's a different beast if it's on.
You'll just be crying in your room. No, you'll just be crying in your room being like, well, Nufio, give me my eye too.
It's like every 5 chapters it's something else depressing.
Something else.
I honestly think, Holic is their most emotionally devastating series.
Well, I'm gonna
Because,
say that. I mean, I found Tokyo Babylon to be pretty emotionally devastating myself.
It's kind of hard to pick the most
Emotionally
devastating because
devastating, yeah.
they're all just like, let's go for the cheapest possible blow we can and see how long you'll keep reading. And even through all, it's like a level of masochism because even through all that abuse, you want to see the end.
Well, the one that threw me off the most is Blood Sea.
Yeah,
I still don't know what I watched.
I know, right? I don't know what's going on with Blood Sea. I mean, it's there and they wrote it, but
They
Exactly.
still lost an eye at the very. I thought I made it through a claim without losing an eyeball. And
No,
right
you
at the
never-
very
you never
end,
make
5
it
minutes
through.
in, boof. I'm like, closing. It's like, alright. Alright.
What, more, you want to know more about the eyeball thing?
I just don't question.
You guys know why there's an eyeball thing, right?
What?
It's because one of the artists or whatever has an eye issue where she's losing vision, so she makes everyone lose an eye.
Oh, right.
Yeah, one of the group has an eye problem, so she's like, ha!
Either blind or almost blind.
Yeah. So that's
So
why everyone loses an
everybody
eye.
in their series loses an eye.
And it's always the left eye.
Yeah, because that's the problem. So.
If I can't see, nobody can see.
So yeah, we have 5 minutes left, so that's where I'm gonna end it, because unless you guys have more to talk about.
Do I watch the 4Kids like version of Cardcaptor Sakura? That's the only
We
one
don't
I've
talk
watched,
about
so.
that.
Okay, I will say, despite the fact that it sucked butt, the voices were better than the new dub.
Yeah.
This is true.
I bet. Who's Madison?
Julian's the one that hurt me the most.
Oh,
Yeah,
no.
Oh god,
Yeah.
Yeah.
They
Switched Shaoran Lee to Lee Shaoran, and that confused me for years.
Okay, so you
I'm like, no.
Anyway, so yeah. Thank you guys for
Court.
being here. It's been real.
That is not his
We are
name.
doing a little clamp cosplay meetup outside.
The fuck you are?
Yeah, right now.
If there's actually anyone that shows up to it.